Well, we're about a month and a half into the supercross season, and that guy right there, Colt Nichols, we haven't seen anything of. Obviously, back in, I think it was January 4th, January 5th, something like that, news came out that what did he, a rotator cuff injury. That's what it is. Right after signing for the new team, Beta, sucks for him. He got a full factory ride, and then boom. Obviously, the last few years he's been on the fill-in train or trying to find 1 year this that, and he had Honda, and it sucks because somebody like that you want to have consistency, or for any rider you want to have consistency. You don't want to have a year on a bike and a year on another bike and a year on another bike with mechanics changes and shock changes. Just you want something that you can know from year to year is going to be okay, this is how I like it. This is how it's going to feel. I can do some little tweaks and then move on. But for him to get a full factory ride, especially with the new team Beta who wants to come in and prove themselves, and Benny Bloss has looked pretty good on the bike, to be injured before Supercross even starts sucks. But as of, well, this week, he's been posting on Instagram that he is back on the bike, which is good. I've absolutely no idea how long he's been on the bike. The first post that looks relevant was like 2 weeks ago, a week ago, I guess. So he could be on the bike for a month. He could be on the bike for a week. Who knows? But I don't know. I'm excited to see him. I want to see how well he does on the bike, how well he looks on it, and comparatively between him and Benny Bloss, who has the speed. Also, just for the pure fact of like seeing the team that Beta intended. I want to see a guy like no offense to the fill-in rider at all, but obviously these are the people they signed who had been on the bike for the longest. You don't want to see the guy who gets the fill-in ride and has like a week on it and then see where he falls. But Colt Nichols should be somebody who is competitor, a top 10, top 5 kind of rider in peak form. So on a factory ride, I'd like to see where he falls and what actually he can do on it, and how well the bike actually performs. But I don't know. In comments below, you guys tell me. One, are you excited to see him? When do you think you'll see him? How are you enjoying the Supercross season so far with so many different winners and point changes and everything? A couple mutters, and it's been a good one from my perspective at least. But whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.